welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to do another toy review. It'll be a sealed toy review, but I'm going to open it and leave it open because I can't repackage it. So let's get into the review. Alright, now that I got all settled and stuff, so what I'm going to be reviewing today is Disney Nightmare Before Christmas Vampire and Witch set. So I got this at Hot Comics and Collectibles a few years ago, a couple or something like that. But yeah, let's get to review it. Package. Alright, let's open this motherfucker. The only reason why I'm opening it on camera like this is so you guys know it's not already pre-opened. Yeah, I know that sometimes it doesn't matter, but to me it does, and I want to build the best content for you guys. So if you guys enjoy Nightmare Before Christmas, please let me know, and let me know your favorite character. Mine is Zero. I like the little puppy. Little ghost dog. Comes with a little accessories and a diorama. And then it has like the twist ties and stuff like that. Get them out of the twist ties. I don't think the blade's going to go through the middle. Alright, so quickly get these twist ties out. So yeah, you guys get the gist. I'll be right back in like 2 seconds. Alright. After fucking forever of trying to get this open, and I cut my finger. I finally got the damn crap open. So here is the witch out of her box, and she doesn't have very many articulations. She's kind of sits there, kind of like that. And then the vampire, it's kind of solid body, barely any articulation. But with him, he has a accessory. So one of his hands pops out. Another one pops in the umbrella. And there he goes. Now I don't know why the witch has the broom when she can't carry it. But yeah, little buck teeth. last but not least, the diorama. Just kind of hooks into place. It'll actually work. So they sit at the stairs. Here. Should go here. And I will show you guys the view. So yeah, the articulation is not very good. They're solid bodies, so not really much you can do. Diorama is pretty simple to put together. The hand is missing, but that's like a interchangeable hand. So yeah, I don't know. This was kind of a slow review. Not very exciting. But yeah. That is the Nightmare Before Christmas Vampire and Witch display review. So that's kind of the full display. It's alright. I like it. But yeah, after about half an hour, 45 minutes of struggling with the package and cutting my finger, I finally reviewed the toys. So yeah, just another quick recap. This is the interchangeable hand. It'll go to replace this hand, and she doesn't have any grips for her broom, so that's her broom. And the diorama is at that loop part right here, connects to the base, and they kind of sit at the steps like that. But yeah, excuse me. That'll wrap it up for this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.